What's going on, beautiful people? It's your boy Terrence Gibson coming back with another excellent IPC Intelligence Prime Capital video. It's going to be titled Day 10, but today we're going to go over quite a few things on a lot of questions I get just to help everybody so everybody be on one accord. And then that way, when they ask me the question, I'll just send them this video. So obviously, this is my Facebook page. If you're not a friend, friend me. I'm going to run this software and weed out a lot of this 5K. So I will definitely have room. So it'll probably be a follow at first. And then when you see I got room, then we can, people that's like-minded, that's on the same path, we'll go ahead and be friends because we just don't need to have 5,000 people who are not doing, what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? You might only got a handful. So you really can just weed that number out and just keep starting over. And don't be afraid to refresh your page. This is for business. Family and friends, they be all right. They get over it. But you weed this out and you use it for your business. All right, so let's go over here to Intelligence Prime Capital. Okay, one thing I love about it, if you want it, 2 minutes later, if you ain't doing nothing, it just logs right off. It'll log right off. So you ain't got to worry about, oh, did you leave it open or anything like that. And then plus they need the Google Authenticator to do anything to your computer. Because a lot of you like me, where you come in the house and you just hit the keyboard and the computer turn on. So just in case, God forbid somebody comes in your premises that you don't know and they just turn your computer on, they won't be able to do anything. So, hey, we spoke it and it came to pass. Told you the next promotion came through last night. Actually, it came through and some dough came through, but I moved the money last night. I was going to do another video just last night just for this. I'm going to try to just do one a day now instead of doing 3 and 4 a day. It's getting to be, a little bit too much. So department manager, we made department manager. So we blew out the first part, blew out the second part. And then the third part right now, we made department manager with 1,147 extra dollars. So now we need this 3-0 to hit 9 tiers. So right now I'm on 6 tiers. So that means everybody under me from my first, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth level, I will receive affiliate income on monthly. And when we go back to the pay plan, that's when you start seeing the pay plan that you'll know that's what you're starting to make. So I'm down to here. So I'll get 30, 20, 10, and 5% on 4 through 6. So my next level, it'll be 7 through 9, which is regional manager. And then it'll be 2% on 10 through 14, and then level 15 through 20. And why you want to hit ranks quick is you might have some rock stars on this level, good people on this level, but you got Hugs and Bowls, or I think his name is Hugs and Bowls, comes in on this level and just put 7,000 people in 10 minutes. You want to have these levels covered. So you want to hit these ranks so that you can get paid, because it'd be a shame to have 10,000 people growing on this level and you can't even reach it. So just do your thing. Just tell people, make your videos, put them out there, title them, use your keywords, and let's just get busy. All right. So we hit another rank. And this is the ranking system. So this part right here, like I said, on January 3rd, is going away. This part right here is going away. This part is staying. This is not going anywhere. So on January 3rd, if we come down here and click on it, it changes. Let's go ahead and make that a little smaller. Yeah, that's small enough. All right. So the leader, actually, I'm sorry. Let's just go to the picture because it has the percentages. So whereas on before as a leader, let's see what we can do to put them both at the same time. All right, well, we ain't worried about 30% right now. We're in here. This is what we're worried about. All right, so now as a leader, if you're only on the leader, instead of the 10% that you were getting on as being a leader, you're only going to get 5%. And then supervisors get 6, 7, 8. And this is just when the people come in, this is what you get off the bot and their initial investment. But you still get the 30% a month. So that's still going to be there. So you're still going to get the money. But what you need to do is, what the company is really trying to get people to stop just getting paid off. Like, say if you get a whale that come in and that joker put in $200,000 and you just take the 20 out. No, they want you to reinvest it and then get paid off the investment. Because in 3 months, you'll make your money back. You'll make that 20,000 back. That's just the numbers it's been doing. I mean, you know, past profits is not future. You can't indicative of future gains, and you can't say what you did yesterday you're gonna do tomorrow. But the bot keeps producing. The bot keeps producing. So this is where we're going to. So right now I'm a department manager, so I'm at 8%. So I'm only 2% away from where I would have been when it started. So when it comes down to, let's see, and this is why you want to get grandfathered in, because let me see. Okay, I'm trying to put these on at the same, but I can't move that in this at the same time. Okay, I know what to do. Let's do this real quick. Handy dandy. Boom. I'll take a picture of that, put that right there. No, stay small. Sorry, you put it on the edges too much, it'll come up. And then we'll come back here with this. Where you at? Where you at, man? Where you at? Oh, there you go. You hide. All right, there we go. So, right now, so to get to this level on here, see, that's why you get grafted in early, because right now I don't have enough to be a department manager on the new scheme, on the new one that's coming out January 3rd. That's why you got to go hard. Let's see, personal sales, blew that out. I'm sure some of this will probably move up, but I think this is just going to be personal, your investment, what you put in. So it would have to be here. So by me getting grafted in already, that means I made this rank, which I would have to add more money myself to get into this rank, because I got everything else. No, I would see this rank is this rank. So what I'm trying to do now to get regional is what you have to do now for department. So really they just pushed it back one, and that's all they did. What they did. So right now I can make regional if I make it before the 3rd, which I'm praying and hoping and saying that I'm going to make it, because we need $18,850, $853, $852.18. That's what we need to get to the next level. So 19,000. That's just my people getting busy. And we did some videos yesterday. Go check on YouTube. You see some videos, some other brothers getting in, man. Join where you want to join. Just get in. I don't even care anymore. Join where you want to join. You just got to do this for yourself. Do this for you and yours. My son is in this one. He's heavily in here too. So just try to let you know, man, you got to get up in this piece. So you got regional manager. This is what the next rank we're trying to get. So for me, after January 3rd, if I don't hit it now, I'm gonna have to put 35 more hundred in on here. This is going to need to go up $600 more, and this is going to have to go to 100,000. That's a big difference. So that's why you go hard now. So by January 3rd, we don't have to worry about this stuff. We'll already be regional manager, be on 9%, and then we're just bossing up. And definitely, but see now between regional manager and managing director, it's going to be a feat, because we got in early when the rank was easy to hit. But when you go from here, you go from just hitting this 30,000, which is really this one. Yeah, which is this one other than the self-investment. When you go from hitting that to that, that's 10%, that's 10 times more than that. So we're going to hit it, and then we're just going to believe that we're going to hit that. You got no choice. Look at the thing. Now, see, the people that I showed you on other Telegram group, they was hitting it when you didn't have to do all that to hit it. All you had to do was have the basics. But they was hitting and they were smart. They got in. I didn't even know nothing about the company at the time. I wish I would have, but hey, what I know now is what we're going to run off of. They was running off of this. So to be a shareholder director, all they needed was 300,000 in group sales and 30,000 in personal sales. So that means everybody that was coming in, if somebody came in and put in 300,000, oh, that guarantees you the spot. If you get somebody to come in at 300,000 right now, they put in 300,000, you're going to get $30,000. So all you got to do is take that and put it in there. And why I say numbers like this, because I've seen it done over and over and over again, over and over and over again. You just got to be positioned in the right place to get it done for you. Be positioned to get it right. So where that affects us at, once again, was right here. You remember you was getting 10% off the bot. You would only get that level, whatever that level is, that's all you're going to get. You're only going to get 5% if you're a leader, 6% if you're a supervisor on the bot. So as they pay for the bots for $99, you'll get $5. So you get $5. You'll get $5. You'll get $5 or $6 or $7 or $8, $9 or the $10 once the bot goes back to $99. That's what you get. And then when you come down to the other level where the 10,000 comes in, right here, 10. Okay, I am on that. I'm on that page. So this is the one when they put their investment. So when they put their investment in, if they put in 1,000, you'll get 5%. So you'll get five. Instead of getting $100, you get $50, $60, $70, $80. See, that's the only thing that changes. So you're only losing about $50. I mean, hey, it is what it is. In the beginning, but the more people that you get to come in, if you're a recruiter, this is for recruiters, people that invest that don't care about recruiting, you're good. All you're going to do is put your money in and you're going to make your money. That's all you got to worry about. But people that like to recruit, this is for us to be paying attention to. So this is the one again I said with the bot. You're going to get the same percentage when they come in with the bot. Same percentage. User A, user B, you're going to get the same percentage. This is what's changing. So that 10% is going away on the third. So it'll be 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you'll get the 10% when you beast up to managing director. I'm trying to make regional, you know what I'm saying? So I'm at 8% is good. The 9% be even better. You know what I'm saying? I'm happy where I'm at, but you know, I'm gonna be happier when I get here. Put it that way. Because that's my goal. You know what I'm saying? My goal is to be here. And shoot, I'm trying to tell you, all I need is one person to come in, one big dog to come in, like, yo, I've been watching your videos. I got this 500,000 sitting on the side. It ain't doing nothing for me. It's just sitting in my saving account. Where do I deposit? Boom. Shareholder director, sitting on a board, chairman. You know what I'm saying? So, hey, that's all we got to do to get up in here. All right. So, as you see, the team's still growing. This is the dashboard. People can just come in here and take a picture just of this if you want to join my team. If you're not joining my team and watching this video and somebody else, do not take a picture of any of this stuff. Do not use my link. Use their link. Please use their link. Do not do that to them. Do not do that. I don't steal. So I don't want nobody's stuff. If you're supposed to be on their team, be on their team. It's 8 billion people in this world. God has blessed us with enough people to talk to. All right. When they come in for the first time, okay, no, let me go in order. I'm gonna go in order. Let's see. I wonder if they're finished with the server. Let me see. Hold up, because we got an email. Let's see. We get emails before they do any type of update. They let you know before. Yo, we're about to do an update, so you won't be able to sign people up. Some things you might not be able to do. So we're about to find out if they're still within the time frame. Okay, so it did show up subscription. Let's go. This is step 2. Just remember step 2, and then we'll just look at it real quick. So when you come here, you go to Genius Bot, you see it's still $49.90. This one you need to get in now, and you need $100 to fund it. So if you only have $150, get in, do something. Then later on, just put more money in. But at least you got your feet in, and you got grandfathered in at this price. We are at $31 million now, people. I don't know. I think it was still in 20s last time I did a video, which was like what, last night. So it's still growing. Like we had 27,000. Yeah, it was at 25,000 people. And 2,000 more people than came in. It's like, you know, people are coming. You need to get up in here. That's why they got to stop and do these server updates, because you got to put the server for the people to go. Because sooner or later, you going to get on this thing. It's going to be lagging the whole day because there's a million people on it at one time trying to get through. And this is nothing for a company. There are so many more people to come. In our last company, we put 250,000 people in 2 weeks. It was like 2 weeks, if I'm not lying. Say 2 weeks to 30 days, but whatever, it's less than a month. 200,000 people, 250,000 people came in. Imagine that. So, woof, what can happen? Because once you start investing in one place, you're like, man, where else can I put it? Because everybody know, don't keep all your eggs in one basket. You need something to be flowing if something else is stalling. Not saying it's going away. I'm just saying if it's stalling or you get caught up in drawdown, you still got something else paying the bills. You got to always have multiple streams of income, right? All right, so this is part 2. You come in here, click subscribe, and then say if you put 150, you're going to put 100 up at the top. I wish I could show you, but I can't since this is here. You know what? Hold on 1 second. Hold on 1 second. There we go. I know I had that up there. All right. So when you come in, you'll get this video from me. Actually, it's in my comments, so you can actually look at this before you even join. You come here, this is step one. This is the first video. This is going to be step one. So what I'm showing you now is bot subscription, because I can't show it to you, so I'm gonna show it to you in this video. Because once you subscribe, you're in it. We're gonna click Genius Block, and this is what I keep telling people. Before we got in, when people are like, well, why was the Myfxbook so low before? Remember, the percentages was way lower in the beginning, 9%, 12%, and 15%. You can see it firsthand. So when this video was made, that's what they were, and it still was $99, which is still good for 15%. So this right here, this is what you do. When you come in, your subscription fee, you're gonna put the amount other than the $49. So the $49 is gonna be right here. And they put $1 because they picked that one, right? So the amount you're gonna need is the $100. It's like, so if you bring in 150, you'll put $100.10, I guess. Yeah, $100.10 up here, and then the $49.90 will already be down here. And then all you do is click, and then you hit click confirm, like they're about to do. But since theirs is only $1, that's why it's $1 there. That's the bot they chose to use to do the video on. So see how the 39 went in there, and whatever they have extra they want to put in there, they can put. And that's how you do it. Now, why they put $8.99 and only put 100 in there, that's up to them. They might be keeping the rest to move out. They might be keeping the rest because it couldn't be affiliate income, because you won't get a link until you fund your bot. So you don't get a link until you fund your bot. So this is the first video you will come to, because the first thing you need to do is fund your account. So go to transaction, click. Oh, that's internal trans. Okay, they're gonna show you that this is after you fund your account. This is when you have money in your bot. This is after funding your bot. This is after your subscription on your bot. This is when you start making money and you want to move it over. All right. This is what we talking about funding. This is the first thing you do. You can do TRC20 or BTC. I use BTC coming in. You only can use TRC20, USDT, TRC20, no ERC, no ERC. Do not lose your money. See how easy that is? This is just how simple it is. Transactions. Payment account. Set up your crypto account in your back office under payment account. Click. You need a USDT. There we go, right there. Let me pause it. You need to see this right here. That's it. That's all you can use. Do not use anything else. Do not put a ERC wallet number. You will lose your money. You will lose your money. It's going to be your fault. You can't blame it on nobody else. And this is showing you how to make a withdrawal. Transaction, withdrawal. It'll be the money that's in the blue. And people have been getting their money under 30 minutes. Not saying that's going to happen all the time. The company is growing. But people have been getting their money in under 30 minutes. And they're putting things in place to keep everything running the way it's running now. But just still understand, if 100,000 people come in tomorrow, that's going to be 100,000 people coming in tomorrow. All right, you check your bonuses, how to reset your account password, account menu tutorial, and referrals info. Well, how do you look at your referrals? So you can look at all this. This is in the link in the description. It says how to do everything. That's this page. I just want to show you those two. Okay, and another thing people are doing, let's come back here. This is how you see your stuff. MT4 accounts. This is how you see your referrals. So when you click on here, like all my referrals, but I'm not going to open it because their names are there. And I'm not going to do all that editing stuff for the video. So I'm just going to stay away from it. So you come out here to your MT4 accounts. This shows you you need to make sure once you first join, this is not going to be approved and this is not. You're going to wait until the email comes in saying these two approved. You can't even set your MT4 up until you get these approved. You won't be able to follow your trades. So make sure that you're looking at this. When you first come in, you look at this, you go to my accounts and you go to MT4 accounts. You're only going to have one. So you ain't got a bunch of stuff to look for, just that one. And then you got approved and follow. Make sure these are approved and follow trade. Then your MT4 will work. Only then. I'm talking about the MT4 that's on your phone. So when you first start here, it may not even trade anyway until these are that you definitely not trade until that's approved. So other than that, for those who want to just use the computer, you can come down here. So once again, on the transactions, you got your funding. That was just in the video. You come down here to fund. You got your internal transfer. This is after you already in and you're making money. You move the money back over. You got your withdrawal. When you can withdraw on Saturdays. On Friday night, you're going to see that they're going to take all the money that you made throughout the week on the bot, just the bot, all interest. And then they're going to put 80% back inside your wallet, and they're going to take the other 20% and keep it for themselves like they're supposed to. Then you got your payment account, and then you're supposed to come in here. You do your TRC20 wallet. I used Trust Wallet just so I have something to put in there. I'm not planning on taking anything out anytime soon anyway. I'm just still compounding. But I use my Trust Wallet. I opened up a Kraken. Gotta go back and do some YouTube videos on it because I've never used it. I have Exodus Wallet on my computer. I might just use that. They said it feeds a little something else, but you know, I don't know. You can probably use crypto.com. I've seen where you can transfer that to on crypto.com. Probably get you a crypto.com card. Then you also have Coinbase. I really don't like Coinbase because they like PayPal. They can just hold your money and give you no explanation for it. And I just don't really like Coinbase. You know, I'm saying the SEC, so maybe they got a lot of other stuff to do to get you your money, but it slows down your process. All right. So other way that you can look for your trades is MT4 closed trades. You come right here and it shows you all your trades. Everything you did. You come in here, click, you're like, oh, where's the trades at? All right, you come up here, you select your account. You don't select all those, that's just individual trades. And then you click search, and then it'll show you all your trades. So in the beginning, when we only had a couple of dollars in there, I was doing lot size 5s. And then as soon as the money increased, let's just put that up to, is it 50? I got more than 50 in there yet? No, okay, it's still under 50. You can see it went from 5s, then it went to 9s. And the next day it was at 0.23, 29, 28, 38. The lot size is 4, 39. The lot size is going to grow so that you can always make the percentage that you're supposed to make. And then the Euro USD, 6 trades in a row. Oh no, 9 trades in a row. Okay, go ahead, Euro USD. Hopefully these all buys because I got some stuff I need my, but see, there's 2 sales. See, man, I still like the money. It's just Euro USD need to go up. It needs to go up. 12994. It needs to be like in 117 for me for some other stuff. But that's what you're looking at when you come in here. It's right over here under reports. It's under reports. We got to stop being lazy, people. Remember, this is our business. So you have to learn how to work your own business. Stop just always asking questions before you try to go and find it yourself. I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Maybe because I'm Army. That's probably just how I am. But I'll try my best to find it before I would hate to even ask people stuff. I would do my darndest to find it before I will go ahead and ask you. So group performance report, ranking performance report. Let's see what this is on here. Because I remember in the beginning, I did this on my first video. So I would be department manager. Just lets me know follow trade group sales. So that's a little bit more money in there than when, oh, you might know it's probably my 20% that's on the side too, that I'm still making money off of, but you know, they take that 20% to the side. So maybe I have more than I think when it's time to hit that rank, which is good. You know, you always can use more to hit any rank. And let's see, bot bonus report, management bonus. This is going to start showing other people's information. So we're not even going to mess with any of these things. Let's just see what bot bonus Let's go from, I wasn't in since the first, but we just gonna go to the first to the 30th. That way we cover everything. So Genius Bot is just showing the amounts of, oh, people coming in and me getting paid for them coming in and paying for the bot. So that's what this shows. This shows the people coming in and the different people that came in and when they funded their bot. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold up, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 people. I don't know if I just messed that up, but let's do it this way. Do 10. We know it's 10. Let's go to page 2. Page 2 shows 4. Okay, I was right because I was getting lost with those things. So 14 people have funded. So I have 21 people on my front dashboard. So that means 7 people need to get busy. Let's get busy. Got 7 more people that need to get busy. And then my people have people. So it's just crazy when you look at how it all breaks down. I'm not going to try to look at nothing that has anybody information on it. Let me see. Let's go from there to 30 again. Management bonus report. So total bonus amount. So it goes only down here, and then it shows bonus percentage, 30%. So you start making it 30%. It looks like it's on a daily basis. On a daily basis. Because I'm looking at the 30%, like, 30%. I know we get it monthly, but they actually paying it out daily, little pieces and chunks of it daily. So that's part of the 30% on the first level. All right. And I think that's pretty much it. So anything else you want to go? Sponsorship bonus report. Databases warning. Okay. And this is the $10 off of everybody putting in 100 or putting in extra money. Because some of these numbers you'll see more than they probably put in more, they put in more, they put in more. Golly, that's some beautiful. Yeah, that's good. So yeah, just the different amounts. Some people more, 151, 276. So it just shows you everything. This is how you kind of keep up with everything. You just want to click on the blue and just have a full detail, but you got to split it up. So we can't have it the way we want to have it, even though we wanted to have it that way. Then you got your profile. So I'm definitely not clicking on my information in there. Once again, that's your MT4 report. So you come here. If you don't have it on your phone yet, you come right here and it shows you your trades. Now it won't add it up for you. So that's why you need MT4 on your phone so that you can go ahead and have it on your phone, or you can have it on your computer. All you got to go is to MetaTrader4.com. MetaTrader4.com, and you can go ahead and download it right here on your computer. If that's how you would choose to do it. And then it would show up, like if you come in under another company or whatever, you'll have your own MetaTrader 4s for those companies. So I have one here for this company, and I think I have one more. My MetaTrader 4 area, MetaTrader 4 editor, and thought I had one more. Trader's Way. Got Trader's Way too. So I got Trader's Way and the Prosperity. But no matter which one of these I come under, I can go ahead and switch it out. So let me see. I don't have no funds in either one of these. So let me open this just so I can show you what it's going to do. And this is pretty much what you'll see when you go ahead and log in. So when you come into MetaTrader 4, okay, it wants to take over my computer. Okay. Oh, well, I do have $22 in here trading. Down to 56. Where you go? Where the heck did you just go? All right. Said yes. I said, yeah, you just disappear on me like that. See? You know what I'm saying? Technology, boy. One thing I want to show you on here is how to log in. If it's going to come on and let me. And then while that's doing that, let me get my iPhone cord. Check out my camera. That. Okay, it's back up. So what we're going to do is how do you sign in on MetaTrader 4? So this is like you coming in, you first get MetaTrader 4. As soon as you download it to your computer, it's going to be blank. And then you come here and you open up an account, right? So on an account, it's like, okay, which one you going to have? But see, I already hit, see, got Prosperity. So add a new broker. It's going to be just that by itself. Unless you have another MT4 already on your computer, you can use the same one. You just have to go back and forth and just make sure you keep the thing. So add a new broker. You hit the plus. Then you start typing in intelligence. Only it keeps up with me while I'm typing, but let's see. I'm hit scan. Boom. So intelligence prime prime right here, live. This is the one you're going to pick. Intelligence Prime Live. So you'll click that one. You'll click next. And then what you do is going to click on existing trading account. And then you're going to go to your email. Let me see. I'm not going to open the email because I don't want to show my information, but I'm going to show you where the email came in at. What is intelligence? Boom, 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 boom. All right. It came in the beginning. MT4 application, third email. So your third email is going to be the email is going to have your MT4 number, the same number that you see right here when you come under MT4. That number right there, that's your number. That's going to be the same number that you're going to use as your ID. But you get it from this email, the third email right here that's going to come in. You get it from that email, and then you put in your investor password. So that in your investor password, which is in this email, you'll put that inside of here for you to be able to use it. So you'll put that 28 some number or 2 whatever your number is, and then your password is your investor password. And then you click, and then you'll go ahead and click finish. You have to click new real account. Well, no, you don't click new, it's existing account. So once you put it in there, just click finish, and then it'll log straight in there for you. It'll log in there for you. So I don't want to take my stuff because it still shows the numbers even before the dots come up. Let me see. Oh, okay. It doesn't. It doesn't do it. Let's see. I don't want it on here though. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this one alone. But that's how you do it. That's how you do it. I'm going to come out of here. That's the one right there. So if we do it. All right. So you come on here on your phone. Okay, make sure do I have my right plug? Yeah, there we go. All right. So I'm gonna share my screen. Sorry, this video is a little long, but people be asking these questions all the time. So I remember take the time to get them right. Or everybody right. You know, tell the truth. Everybody needs to be right. So the screen sharing. Bring that down. Pick that. All right, there we go. So we're on the phone. All right, so we come over here. So, hey, matter of fact, while we're here, I can just show you what we did last night. So, if you see my account, it won't show it on here while we're on here, but you see my account. We did $23.12 last night. So we did a $10, a $9.60, $3.12. So this is over 1%, and I'll show you Myfxbook in a minute anyway. But this is what we did last night. This is for the week. Now, mind you, we will have some losses in there. We have to have losses sooner or later in here for the day. That 14 is a withdrawal. So that's not even a loss. But it's just been winning since I've been in. And the big 182, of course, that's transfer money in. So these are the trades, trade, money transferred in, trade, money transferred in, money transferred in. 166 there at the top. So you got money transferred in, trade, money transferred in, withdrawal for, oh, this is what happens on Friday night, Saturday morning. This is all the money that was made added up over here. So they took the money out and then put the 80% back into my wallet, and then I sent it back when I moved this money over. So we made quite a few dollars just that one day. Over there was that 25th, 26th, 27th. So it was wrapped up in here somewhere. The 80, so they took 80%, gave me 80% of my 14, and then put the rest over here. All right. And that's my sexy wife, of course. 312. All right, we were just talking about the 14. Leave it at the top. Does that give me enough room to go to that? See, it's a lot of stuff going on in here, people. The days start adding up. So we got add, trade, add. So I wish, I mean, it would have been $1 and some change, but still, I missed the trade. The trade came before I could add this money. I was too late. I should, about an hour and something late. And then right after I did that one, this one came in. Or did I miss both? Actually, because that time frame and this frame is different. Who knows? I might have missed them both, but I missed them. But if it's in this order, that means I didn't miss it. But I still got a heck of a percentage on that day, so it really doesn't matter. Just let you know to move your money as soon as you see it, and then put money in. Trade. Let's see. Let's go back. I need to change my time frame on my phone. All right, and I think we're down. Yeah, so at the end, money in. Trade from last night, and 71 cent profit deposit. I didn't put that, but that was just coming from all the deposits. And the negative 14 since we got paid. So next Friday, it's only been in less than 2 weeks. So next Friday, that it'll be another withdrawal. And they'll withdraw it, give me my 80%, put it back, and then I can either withdraw it or compound. We're compounding. So I already let you know that. That's what we're going to do. But hey, I wanted to show you that. So what you do is when you first get it, you're going to get this. And you see my name at the top. That's my account number. Nobody can do nothing with that because they don't know my password. So what you do is as soon as you get MT4, it's going to look something like this. This is what it's going to first look like when you first get it on your phone. If you don't have it on your phone at all. And all you do is log into an existing account. And then up the top is looking for the server. You do the same thing we did before. Start typing out intelligence. Okay. And then it shows up right here at the bottom. Prime Live right here. This is the one you want to click. You click Prime Live. I'm going to click it. And then when you do the login, it's the same information from before. Use your MT4 number that comes in that email. That email, I showed you the third email, and then your password is your investor password. And once you put those both in, after you make sure that thing says that you were approved on both sides, you were approved and you can follow trades, it will start working for you. And then as soon as you put those two in and click enter, you're in there. You're in there. That's all you got to do. And this is iPhone. You want to have to, if you have an Android, Samsung, whatever, you're going to have to go on YouTube and follow it on there because I don't have an iPhone. I mean, Samsung to do the video. And it's totally, and then it looks totally different too. So it looks way different though. The menus are different. Pretty much everything is kind of different when you go to MetaTrader 4 for your so when you looking in here, like this menu bar on the bottom is totally different on the other phone. So then trade, it shows you the trade. If you can see it when it's going, what your money is going into. You got your charts if you want to look at the charts. Whichever one you want to hit, quotes, you come over to quotes and you can click on here. You can do a trade, but I wouldn't trade on this. Let them trade. Chart. And then you can look at the different things. So your USD, like I said, is at 1336. That's good. It needs to go forward and it goes. We need to go all the way up to like 7. So it needs to go all the way up here somewhere. Needs to go up here somewhere. All right. So back to the basics. I think I done covered everything that I was thinking of covering. Yeah, so you got that third email. That's going to be the one that's going to have your information in there. And I'm repetitive on this video because I'm getting a lot of questions that I want to make sure that I'm answering. Some of these people, my people, your people, our people can be squared away when they're coming into this. We don't need none of the foolishness. Because, you know, people already come in wondering what's going to happen. They always coming in with the what if. So if they coming in and they're doing stuff wrong, they're going to blame it on the company. That's just how it works. The company's messed up, but you're the one that didn't do this step. Oh, well, who cares? The company's messed up. That's just how people are. Naturally, they're scared of everything. You know what I'm saying? Scared of their own shadow sometimes. So we want to make sure that we have everything lined up so people can come in. You got the announcements, like I said, coming through. That was the one telling you about the server going down today so they can do upgrades. We're grateful, telling, you know, everybody they're grateful for them because we're growing like crazy. That's when we hit 2,000, 20,000 users. It's past that. As you can see, when we go to subscription, it's at 20, I think it was at 27. I'm sure some people joined since we did this before. Because I think that was like, no, that was 32. So I don't know in here. I didn't really take a snapshot. But what you could do is when we finish, rewind the video and go back and we can see if we did it. So just to sum it up, we hit another rank. Once again, they're still letting people know, don't give your money to scammers because it's not going to be our fault. It's going to be your fault. Don't give your money to anybody. Don't even give your money to them 800 numbers that be calling. Stop giving money to anybody. Telling you no, unless you call them and get their number and you know it's a legit place, give it to them. Even your bank can tell you people shouldn't just be calling you asking for information. So we're a department manager. Department manager. And we are 12. See, it went up. So what's happening right here, this I'm gonna tell you exactly what's happening. I don't get a percentage of my people's people coming in the beginning. Only you get your referral bonuses. So my people are bringing in people and they're upgrading. They're upgrading because this number is growing and I don't have nothing over here. But when my people with on a 21, when they add money, I get an automatic bonus. But when the months start rolling in, I'm gonna start getting 30% of everything that they do. So it's going to start to, you know, it's going to start. Then it's going to be 30%. Well, my guys, I'm already getting 30. Then it'll be 20. It'll be down to 6 levels. So when I hit this rank, it'll be down 9 levels. And I showed you on the PDF how that plays out. And this is just shows you how everything plays out. So everybody on my second level that my big dogs bring in is going to be 20%. So it's only 10% shy of what they're receiving. They'll receive 30. I'll receive 20. They receive the upfront 10% right now until January 3rd, January 1st, until January 3rd. January 3rd is when this changes. They'll get that, and then as the days go on, then I'll start reaping these. So it's a family building a family. It's a family building a family, but you want everybody to win because when everybody's winning, they stay. Nobody leaves a winning team. Nobody leaves. Look at Kobe. He stayed with the Lakers his whole career. His whole career. He was only on another team during the draft. And that only lasted about what, 30 minutes? 30 minutes an hour? I don't know how. I don't remember that far back. But it didn't last long. It didn't last long. He was only on that team for a short period of time. So this is your boy, Terrence Gibson. I hope this video was good. I know it's long. I think I covered everything that I needed to cover. Once again, just real quick one more time. This is in the description. You do this video first. You do this video second. First, second. And then you can play with these however you need to play with them after you get these two done. So you fund your account with this one. It's the second part of the video inside the second video. Shows you how to fund. And then your transaction video, it shows you just how to move your money once you start getting to the blue wallet. When it starts getting in here, how to do an internal transfer. When you come over here and you do it right here under transactions, under internal transfer. And it just allows you to transfer whatever's here to over here. That's what it does for you. Boom, 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 boom. Right that. Right? And then after you watch this video completely, then you come over here and you subscribe to your bot. You do your bot subscription, but you got to make sure you're over here and you set up your wallet with a USDT TRC20 wallet. Okay? USDT TRC20 wallet. You have to. You have to. Do not use ERC anything. If it got an E in it, it's not for you. You know what I'm saying? I'm not saying because my name Terrence got an E in it, not me. You know what I'm talking about. USD ERC20, which is the first one that normally pops up no matter where you go. So be wary of that. Make sure you get all the way into your wallet to the point that you see it says USDT TRC20. And then how you gonna know it's gonna start with a T. That's how you're gonna know the difference between your wallet, the one that you have, and the one you're supposed to have. See, because it'll start with the T8, the T. That's how you're gonna know you have TRC20, because it starts with a T. So if it's E or whatever the other one is, because I haven't even used it, so I don't know what it starts with. But whatever, anything other than that, do not put it there. Most likely it won't take it, but still, don't put it there. Please don't put it there. Please don't put it there. All right. All right. It's your boy Terrence Gibson. We growing up in this piece. Come on and join on my team. Join my people that's on my team. Join my people's people that's on the team. Whoever you see this video, whoever introduced you, join them and let's get busy. But whatever you do, join. All right. God bless. Have a blessed one. And it's been a pleasure showing you this video on to day 11, Lord willing.